In this lesson, we'll be using both an iPad and iPhone. The live text and visual lookup features are going to work the same in photos on each device. Both of these features use machine learning to automatically find text or certain objects within a photo or video. To utilize these features, the device that you're using is going to need to have an A12 Bionic chip or better. This means an iPhone XS, which was released in 2019, an 8th generation iPad, which was released in 2020, or a 2018 iPad Pro or later. Let's start with live text. Any photo or video in our Photos library that contains recognizable text can have that text selected and then copy and pasted into any other app. Here on the iPad, we have a photo of a sign taken in Mexico. Notice in the lower right, we get a live text icon. Just tap this, and all the text in the image is selected. Notice that Photos is able to recognize the text on the edge of this sign, which is bent and distorted. Tap the live text button again to deselect the text. We're also able to tap and drag on the text to select specific sections of it. Then tap copy or share, and the selected text can then be added to a note, an email, message, or any other document. Live text can also do translation. When I tap the live text button in this image, it provides a translate button over to the left. Tap and the Spanish paragraph is translated to English. We can also tap and drag to select text and then translate only that selection from the menu bar above. This can be really helpful with menus or other documents that are in a foreign language. Here on the iPhone, tap and drag to only select a part of this menu. Or we can use the live text button to translate the entire menu. Live text is available in videos as well. In this video clip of a sign, when the video is paused and the text in this paragraph is visible, the live text button will appear. Tap to select all the text. Below, the elevations of the mountain peaks are displayed, and we have conversions of these elevations available. Tap and hold on a single specific number to convert it. When contact information is recognized in an image, we can just tap and hold on it to message or call that number or email address. Next, we have visual lookup. With this, Photos scans your images for recognizable items, which can be a landmark, plant, animal, food dish, and more. Here on the iPad, we have a photo of a flowering cactus. Notice that the info button up in the toolbar has stars in its icon. This lets us know that something has been identified in this photo by visual lookup. Tap and we can look up the specific species of cactus, which in this case is called strawberry hedgehog. Move to a different photo of a desert plant, and visual lookup identifies it as ocotillo. On the iPhone, visual lookup recognizes a landmark in this photo, which is in this case Bryce Canyon National Park. Visual lookup can also identify food. In this case, it accurately IDs octopus and potatoes. Both live text and visual lookup are great features to be aware of while using the Photos app.